Vissel Kobe, being in the middle of their season, demonstrated their sharpness early on. With kickoff temperatures reaching 31 degrees, they started strongly and created a few chances before Osaka scored. Sarr's sliding block from Iino's cross inadvertently set up Osaka. We quickly found our rhythm and equalized in the 17th minute. Gray delivered a deep pass to Kulusevski, who sent it wide to Johnson. Johnson then passed back to the Swede, who cleverly flicked it into Porro's path. Porro switched to his left foot and slotted it home. Kulusevski struck the side netting. Son's curling shot was saved by Maekawa, and Johnson was remarkably denied a tap-in by Yamauchi. Our momentum continued even after the half-time break. Just 2 minutes into the second half, Porro found Johnson making a darting run down the right. Once Johnson outpaced Honda, he sent a perfect pass to Son, who was sprinting into open space at the far post. The partnership between Heung-Min Son and Johnson proved effective again, making it 2 versus 1 at the start of the second half. Vissel Kobe responded well and created a few opportunities, including Austin making a save at Yamauchi's feet. We then had another strong period with players like Lucas Bergvall, Mikey Moore, Alfie Devine, and DJ Spence stepping up. Donley hit the post from 20 yards, and Moore was denied by what appeared to be a handball on the goal line. However, Vissel Kobe unexpectedly equalized as Patric created space and scored from close range in the 62nd minute. Paul Obi made impressive saves against Devine and Donley. Lankshear nearly converted a cross from Devine, Moore headed over, and Solomon's shot curled just wide before our late winner. Solomon passed to Donley on the left, and his cross left Moore with an easy finish from close range, securing his second goal of the preseason. We netted 3 spectacular goals to overcome the heat, humidity, and the J-League champions in front of a crowd of over 54,000 at Japan's National Stadium. Guglielmo Vicario and Ben Davies returned to the lineup, as Postecoglou made 5 changes from the team that started our last friendly against QPR the previous weekend. Vicario and Davies were accompanied by Emerson Royal, Dejan Kulusevski, and James Maddison in the starting 11.